Hi, this is Eli from SafeNet has Technical Support. I would like to show you something interesting about the runtime installation. We already have runtime installed here. We can see in the configuration, in the diagnostics, the numbers, etc. So everything is working fine, but nevertheless, if I run the hashtains again, once again with -I to install it, I see that the installation is usually processed and done as usual as if there's no installation. So this is one thing that I can see which is a bit strange. But more than that, suppose that I go and ask, this was finished. Suppose that now I would like to remove the installation, so I use the hashtains with -R. So now I remove the installation of the runtime. It is successful. So now I would expect to see that the runtime installation does not exist anymore. There's no runtime over here. But when I go to the, let's do F5 in order to refresh, I see that the runtime still exists over here. So why is that, and is it the expected behavior? Okay, so obviously if I show it to you not as a bug, it means that it is the expected behavior, and let me explain why. Suppose that there are several vendors of different with different keys, and each one of them has his installation of his application with the runtime. So suppose that vendor A installs his application with the driver, and the other vendor installs his B application with the driver. Now we don't want to have a situation where one of the vendor is uninstalling the application and then the runtime will not exist anymore. So we keep on having like a counter for how many installation of the driver exist, and when you uninstall it, the count will be decreased by 1, and only if it's 0 there will be no more runtime installed. We can see it in the registry. If we go to HK local machine and then here software Aladdin knowledge system and then go to the driver installer, we can see here inst count, which stands for installation count. I've just pressed F5 to see that there is 3. Now let's see if it's working right. If I do again the uninstall with using hashtains -R, and it's finished. Let's go to the registry and do F5 to refresh. Now we can see that the counter is 2. That means that only if it gets to 0, then there will be no driver installed. But suppose, and we can see still the driver exists. But suppose that I do want to remove the entire driver, the entire installation, the entire instances of it. So you know probably that I can use the parameter -purge. Let's do it. So -purge, I think that we can already see that if I go to localhost, I see nothing. It is done, and let's go to the registry and do F5. Oops, nothing. So the -purge will help you if you'd like to remove completely remove the hasp runtime, all the instances of the hasp runtime. Thank you for watching.